Hello. What I do is I would like to talk to you about dividing fractions. Now, you might say, why should I learn about that? Well, there's going to be situations in the course where you're going to divide by fractions. And there's actually three simple steps. Step one is you're going to turn the second fraction, the one you want to divide by, upside down. And this is now what we call a reciprocal. So, for example, if the bottom fraction was, let's say, 2 over 3, you would turn it upside down and make it 3 over 2. Okay? Then you multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. And then you simplify if needed. Okay? So let's look at this problem right here. We have a half divided by 1/6. You might say, well, why would that be relevant? Let's say you have half a pizza left and you want to give everyone 1/6 of the pizza because all your friends, they like math, or maybe you like math and you want to basically make it fair. So we're going to turn the second fraction upside down. So, which is 1 over 6. So what do you think that's going to be? If you said if it was going to be equal to 6 over 1, then you are correct. So we're going to multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. So multiply tops, okay? And then multiply bottoms. So 1 times 6 over 2 times 1, which is equal to 6 over 2. Now, we're going to simplify 6 over 2 to get 3. Perfect. And hopefully you don't have to use a calculator for that. Okay? So there is an easy rhyme, which I know you're going to sing a lot, which is dividing fractions is as easy as pi. Flip the second fraction and then multiply. Then don't forget to simplify. Now, if you really want to impress your friends, which I wouldn't, before it's time to say goodbye. So don't forget to say goodbye. Another way is leave me, change me, turn me over, which, yeah, not feeling that one. But I guess that is another one as well. So whatever one floats your boat. Okay? So going back to the pizza one is how many 1/6 slices fit into a half slice? The answer will be 3. Okay? So let's look at another example. So suppose now you have 1/8 of a pizza left, which probably doesn't sound like a lot, and you want to divide that by 1/4 or 1 over 4. Because remember, maybe I won't let you guys use your calculator on this. So we're going to turn the second fraction upside down, which is the reciprocal. So 1 over 4 becomes 4 over 1. So we're going to multiply 1 over 8, because remember, that's the first fraction, times 4 over 1. So we're going to have 1 times 4. So multiply the top numbers. We multiply the bottom numbers. So we get 1 over 4 times 8 over 1, which is 4 over 8, which is a half. Okay? So what if you had more pizza and you had 2/3 of a pizza left and you now want to divide by 5? Well, it's 5 over 1, but we want to turn that second fraction upside down. So how do we do it? We make 5 over 1, we make that 1 over 5, and we multiply 2 over 3 times 1 over 5, which is equal to 2 over 1. Divided by 3 times 5, which is 2 over 15. So can we simplify that? The answer is no. It's already simple, right? There's nothing that goes into 2 that also goes into 15 cleanly, right? So on the test, I guess if you wanted, you could always express that as a decimal. But honestly, if you get 2 over 15, then you have pretty much nailed it. Okay. So if I can't think of any other examples to give to you, so I hope you enjoyed that lesson. If not, let me know.